Square Sampler Crochet Blanket Pattern. This sampler blanket is a versatile and colorful design that's perfect for showcasing your creativity. Mix up the different colors of your choice to make your own unique design, perfect for your home or a thoughtful gift. For love of texture Afghan pattern. This Afghan is a stunning and luxurious throw that will lend a modern, elegant design touch to your home. As a gift for a loved one, this blanket will become a treasured item for years to come. Rainbow Hugs Mosaic Blanket. This blanket is the perfect way to brighten up any room in your home. With its fun and vibrant colors, this blanket is sure to bring a smile to your face. Hudson Afghan Pattern. This crochet pattern creates a stunning and cozy throw blanket with a modern, geometric design. It's perfect for intermediate crocheters looking to challenge themselves and add a unique piece to their home decor. Tree of Love Heirloom Afghan Pattern. This lovely Afghan represents a family that grows over time and with love. It would make a touching gift for a wedding, anniversary, or the birth or arrival. Easy Weighted Rainbow Blanket. Weighted blankets are a wonderful way to ease anxiety and provide comfort. This pattern is beginner-friendly and uses 3 strands of yarn held together. Pine Tree Crochet Blanket. This beautiful pine tree-themed blanket is perfect for Christmas, but it makes wonderful fall and winter decor too. It's a classy and elegant, super chunky crochet blanket pattern. The simple stitch pattern is easy to follow and can be completed quickly, so you can give them out easily as gifts or make on for every sofa and chair in the house. Crochet Puff Quilt Pattern. This unique Afghan is made of quilt-like stuffed squares that create a thick, eye-catching final product. 4-hour crochet blanket pattern. If you need a handmade gift but are short on time, try this for our baby blanket. This pattern uses a super bulky yarn for a blanket. Stained glass crochet blanket pattern. This beautiful stained glass Afghan is a fabulous project for experienced crocheters who are looking for a challenging and worthwhile project. The Sweet Slumbers Pillow and Afghan Patterns. Easy Vienna Crochet Afghan Pattern. This is the perfect project for both beginner and experienced crocheters.